Hello guys, welcome all. Today this video will be the first video of the OpenCV computer vision tutorial series. And in this video, I'm gonna first give you all a brief introduction to the OpenCV module, and then I'll show how to do the installations. Then we are gonna write our first lines of code, and I'll show you how to open an image and view it using OpenCV and Python. Okay, let's see what is OpenCV and where it is used. Okay, OpenCV is an open source computation library, and it is one of the most popular computation libraries in the world. And OpenCV is available in Python, Java, and C++ also. However, in this tutorial series, we are going to talk about OpenCV using Python programming language. Okay, the usages of OpenCV. Okay, OpenCV is used to process images real time and video capturing and processing, and it is used to analyze videos and images. Don't worry, we are gonna talk about all of these things in our future videos. Okay guys, so now we'll see how to install OpenCV. For that you need to open your command prompt, or if you are on Mac or Linux, open your terminal, then type pip install OpenCV-Python, and if you are on a Mac or Linux, instead of pip type pip3, then press enter. I'm getting this because I have already installed OpenCV in my machine. For you guys, it will install OpenCV. Okay guys, for this tutorial series I'm going to implement my code in Jupyter Notebooks. But if you don't know anything about Jupyter Notebooks, don't worry. You don't need Jupyter Notebooks for code in OpenCV or Python. However, I'm using it because it's very easy to teach using a Jupyter Notebook, because it's like a notebook where I can take notes and run codes at the same time. In the future videos, you guys will understand why I am coding in Jupyter Notebooks. And in this video, I'll show you how to implement codes in Jupyter Notebook and in Visual Studio Code both. You can choose whatever you like. Now I'm going to show how to install Jupyter Notebook. For that, you must run pip install notebook and press enter. I have already installed it. Now you need to open the command prompt in the folder that you want to create your Python file. I'm gonna choose this folder, and you must open command prompt here. Then type Jupyter Notebook here and press enter, and then it will open a window like this. And then for create the Python file, go here and click new and click Python 3. Then it will open a new tab like this. This is where we are going to code. Okay, now we are going to load the image here. I have placed an image in a folder. Now we are going to load this image. I will copy and paste the code because I'm not going to explain the code in this video. I'm going to talk about this code and every other thing in the future videos. And here I'm just going to show. Now if I run this code, I can see the image has been loaded. Now I'm going to show how to run this code in VS Code. For that, I'm going to open my VS Code. and I'm going to create a new file, and I'm selecting the language Python, and now I'm pasting the code here, and I'm saving it in the exact folder that we saved it. Save it as test 1, and now I'm going to run this. You can see the image here. Okay guys, in the next video I'm going to show you how to do various types of image processing to an image. See you guys in the next video.